Hi, I'm Dr. Mel Burchman. People receiving chemo and radiation therapy for cancer treatment suffer from a tremendous amount of side effects. Oral mucositis, sensitivity to cold, pain on chewing, nausea, diarrhea, just to name a few. Dr. Gerry Ross, Dr. Arun Darbar, and I will be leading an 8-hour course on the science of photobiomodulation, PBM, on Saturday, February 13th. During this course, I will be teaching attendees how to prevent these side effects from occurring, or at least to minimize them if they do occur. So please register for our course on the Dental CE Academy and allow me to teach you how to help these people in their tremendous time of need. You'll be amazed how wonderful you'll feel, and your patients will love you for this.